have trouble finding products that you're able to sell? Well, Amazon allows you to look through thousands of different categories of products without having to do much work in a neatly organized list. What we could do with that is compare it with our other tool called Seller Amp that we learned in last video to basically be able to find leading products with the categories that we could see within the Product Opportunity Explorer in Amazon. This is 100% free, anybody could use this, but you need the paid version of Amazon Seller Central to use it. So to find the Product Opportunity Explorer, you're going to go into the three little bars, go into Growth, and then go down to Product Opportunity Explorer. So what we could do with this, we could filter it out by category, by keyword, by niche. It really all depends on what we want to do. But it basically shows us the top niches and it gives us some information about the products that we're looking for to see which of these products are we able to sell for one and which of them are actually have people willing to buy the product. So let's choose a category, for example. If I wanted to check all the products within the within the beauty and personal care catalog, what I could do, I could select it like this and then go into ASIN view. What this is going to show me is a list of ASINs that are separated with this relevant information right here. You can see the launch date, the search count, but basically we could see this entire list of products of 1,000 products, and basically one by one, if we wanted to see if we are ungated with something, we could very quickly just highlight this, use our SAS search with Seller Amp. Now, if you wanted to use Seller Amp along with the Product Opportunity Explorer, we highlighted this and use the SAS Smart Search to get this column right here. Now, very quickly, we could see, okay, number one, I'm not eligible to sell this product. But when you're looking through the Product Opportunity Explorer, you could expect to see with Seller Amp, basically, if you're able to sell it or not, it'll pop up in bright red for no if you're not able to sell it. And what this can tell us, what this can tell us, for this entire brand, I'm not eligible to sell it. But let's verify that for sure, because we should be able to try to add the product, okay, and see what they say when we're trying to add it. You could do this without Seller Amp as well, but it's a lot easier with Seller Amp because you don't have to move from different pages. You see right here, I have to apply to sell, and let's see what it needs to get approval if I wanted to sell it. I need a purchase invoice of at least 100 units. This 100 units, if you have a LLC, usually you could probably buy, depending on what type of product it is, directly from the manufacturer, and they should give you a invoice and a receipt that you could upload here. But since we don't have it, if we're just a new seller on Amazon, we don't have any of that stuff just yet, what we could use within the Product Opportunity Explorer, we could just go one by one, or we could download this entire list. Okay, we could download this entire list of 1,000 ASINs and use another third-party application in association with like Google Sheets, if you have some sort of product calculator on Google Sheets for Amazon that you're using for free, or we could just continue to use this with just like this, and then copy and pasting whichever ASINs that we're able to buy, or whichever ASINs that we're able to sell right here, by just very quickly checking them like this, and then changing the condition and seeing if we're able to sell it. Okay, so this is a very, very quick, easy way having Amazon find products that are leading within the categories that you want to look for. Okay, so this is only for finding the products and comparing it to other products within Amazon. If I wanted to find these actual products, I could do a couple of different things. I could use the SAS search, click on this little Google icon, and then it is going to basically do a Google search to see if we could find the exact same product. That is one. The next thing that we could do, we could take either the name or barcode of a product. Okay, and basically we're doing the same thing, but we're gonna put one thing at the end. Usually this works better with the barcode, but you could see if I add bulk at the end of this, we're going to see whichever one has this exact same product that we're able to buy, okay, because we see that it has pretty good demand. Let me see real quick. It has a low BSR, not that many people buying it though. The price is within the $18 one, within $18 to $39, which is pretty good. But the estimated sales for this product, if you want to sell it in bulk amounts, or if you want to sell like a lot of it, you need to have that estimated sales to be like in the hundreds or even more. Okay, so that's just a very, very quick way you could use this. Now, I downloaded this form a couple minutes ago. I'm going to show you what we could do to basically do all of this that we're doing right now, but a little bit more organized. Cut. So what we're going to do to organize the data that we got from that last page, we're going to go into Google Sheets. Google Sheets is going to allow us to actually upload the CVS document that we just got just now, and basically upload all of this into Google Sheets, and one app after another. What we could do this like this real quick. Okay, we're going to highlight these columns. Ooh. We're going to highlight the columns that you see right here. Hold on, give me 1 second. Cut, action, cut. Okay, so we're gonna highlight these columns right here, and then we're going to format. No, we're not gonna format. We're going to create filter. We're gonna create a filter, and very easily what we could do, we could filter this out by brand like this, okay, and we could start it like A to Z, Z to A, whichever one, right? And basically all we need to do from here is for each of these individual brands, you see how some of them overlap a couple times. For each of these individual brands, what we could do is just continue doing our research, but a little bit more organized in a way that we could say, okay, for this entire brand, let's say, am I ungated to sell it? Can I sell this product? Very quickly, we can go into our Amazon account, add the product, see if we're able to sell it. Let's see. We're going to request approval. And this one, you only need 10 units, okay? So whenever you only need 10 units in a product, what you could do, you could actually have this little cheat sheet where if you can buy 10 of them somewhere, right? Or if you only need to buy 10 of them, you could try to find it at Target. Target is a very, very easy place to get ungated with certain stuff, but you have to make sure that you have to make sure that the units that you're buying the product for allows you to actually buy it from products. So let me copy this name real quick. Forever Lisa. Copy, paste. And we don't exactly see we don't see that exact same product that we were looking for, so we're going to skip this product. But basically, we could look through thousands of products using that simple tool within the Product Opportunity Explorer and basically get a roll on whichever types of products that we can sell already. Amazon's going to tell us that with that list. And also, there's some other relevant information right here. Like you can see, the search count. Usually, the higher that is, the better it is for you. Okay, that basically is the demand for the product, and this is just one category. This gives you basically every category that's in Amazon. And you can search for them right here. So if the beauty and health category isn't your niche, you could choose a different category like baby products, automotive, arts and crafts, anything that you want essentially to see if you're able to sell stuff within that category. Just go ahead, go through those couple lists, and you should be good to go. All right. Please like, subscribe, follow wherever this goes out. Help me help you make money with Amazon the easy way. Are you a new Amazon seller that doesn't know how to add products? I'm going to show you how to add a product on Amazon. The first thing that you need to do, you need to go into add products right here in catalog, add products, but it should be bookmarked. After that, you're going to need one of two things, okay? A name or a barcode. This name could be the name of the product, or this could be the this could be the barcode of the product. If it's a book, it's called an ISBN. Or if it's a product that you already know is on Amazon, you're gonna take what's called the ASIN number, the ASIN. After that, once we do that, we're going to click on the product and we're going to see a couple different things. If we can't find the exact same product, make sure that we find a similar enough product that has nearly exactly the same name, or as long as it's cut action. So when we put in the ASIN or the barcode up here, what we do, we search for it and then we go into condition after we click on the exact same product. If you can't find the exact same product with the number or the name that you put in, try to find it with a similar name. But if you can't find it on Amazon, then it's just not on Amazon. Okay. Now we're going to sell this product because we already know we could sell it. So now we're going to be taken to this page. Okay. This page right here is how you list a product. Okay. To the left, you could see all the requirements and recommendations, but we only really need to fill out the required stuff. So you see right here, quantity, that's how many units you have. I already have this on my store. I'm just giving you an example. The price, this is going to be calculated by you, okay? So the price right here, you have to make sure that you're actually making profit at whatever price that you put for it. But to do that, we could use our application called Seller AMP, okay? That'll very easily tell you, okay, this book has been selling for, right here, this example, $28. For this book, I know I buy it for $5, okay? And in total, I make $9.82 profit and nearly 200% ROI. That is insane for some products that we're looking for. A lot of the times you're not going to be able to make that much ROI, but you should be able to make at least $10 profit on each of the products that you list, because if you don't, it's really not great for you to list something. Okay. We're not going to go over how to use Seller Amp right now, but we're just going to use the price that we see here, the $28, It's not even $28 by itself. It could be a lot higher than that. That's just the price that Amazon puts. Okay. So we could also list it for up to $47, for example. Okay. Let's say we list it for 47. Offer condition type. That's if it's new, used. Usually, if it's used, you don't have to upload the photos. But if you have pictures of what the photo look like, of what the product looks like, okay, like you could say it's like new. You could upload photos to have the customer see, okay, it's actually like new, but those aren't really mandatory. After that, you should see where it says fulfillment channel. If you're going to do an FBA, you could click it like this. Amazon will ship it. Or if you want to send it out yourself, you could do it like this, where it says I will ship it myself. Okay. So after that, what we could do, depending on your marketplace, you might not want to be able to sell in Canada and Mexico. So what we could do, we could keep them turned off if they're on, or if they're gray like this, where you can't deactivate them, then you can't do anything about that. But you see right here, they're both deactivated, so we don't have to worry about international shipping. So we're gonna save and finish, and after a few minutes, it'll be on your store. So that's how you add a product.